cultural exchanges and travel that we get to know different places, deepen mutual understanding, and make new friends. It is my sincere hope that through today's event, professionals from the culture and the tourism industry of China and Belgium.
It is a great pleasure to get together with all of you at this first cultural event held by the Chinese mission since the COVID-19 pandemic. There is a saying in China which says that make friends through tea. I hope today's event could mark a new start as China and Europe gradually resume our people-to-people exchanges.
We had a meeting with them earlier today, and I hope we can work together in the near future to give a boost to tourism and to organize many cultural exchanges.
茶是中国的，也是世界的。中国的茶文化海纳百川，和而不同。